Are you frustrated because your YouTube channel has lost access to advanced YouTube features? Don't worry, you're not alone. Losing access to these features can be a major setback, but it's often fixable. It's something that you can resolve, and in this guide I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to help you regain access to YouTube's advanced features. So guys, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So let's get started. So guys, one thing you have to take note is that if your YouTube channel has lost access to advanced YouTube features, you will need to verify your account to regain access, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. Let me first of all start by showing you guys the email that I got from YouTube concerning this restriction on the YouTube advanced features. Let me go over to my Gmail app. Let me open up my Gmail app real quick. Where is it? Let me keep scrolling. So I've seen it, so let me tap on it right away. Then let me go over to the email. Let me keep scrolling upwards. Where is the email? Where is it? Let me keep it down. Okay guys, I've seen the email, so let me tap on the email to open it real quick. You can see it down there, so let me tap on it. Right here guys is the email. Let me get to read it out loud. It says, your channel has lost access to advanced features. Hi Emmanuel, to keep our community safe, we limit some of our more powerful features to channels who have built and maintained a positive channel history or have provided verification. As of now, your channel does not have sufficient channel history. Let me scroll upwards now to continue reading. Let me scroll upwards. It says it has lost access to advanced features. That means my channel. This may have happened because your channel did not follow our community guidelines. Let me continue reading. It says how this impacts your channel. You won't be able to do things like get higher daily limits for live streams, shorts and video uploads, embed live streams, pin comments and add external links to your video description. Let me continue reading down there. It says how to restore access to advanced features. Let me scroll upwards now. Let me continue reading. It says to restore access, you can build positive channel history by following our community guidelines. Secondly, provide video or ID verification for quicker access. This may not be available for all channels. Thanks, YouTube team. So guys can see this is the email that I received from the YouTube team concerning the YouTube advanced features. They sent this email to me to notify me that I've lost access to the advanced feature, and I believe most of you have already received a message like this, an email like this from YouTube. So I'm going to take you guys through the process on how you can actually gain access or regain access to the YouTube advanced feature. So guys, what you have to do is to pay attention to the email that has been sent to you. So what you have to do first of all is to go over to the email that the YouTube team sent to you. That's where you're going to find the solution. As I read earlier on, they said how to restore access to advanced feature, and it says provide video or ID verification for quicker access. You can see you can either provide a video for the verification or an ID for the verification. For the video, it has to do with recording your face for about 15 seconds, while for the ID verification, it has to do with uploading your ID card, which can be any government issued ID card at all will work out fine, like your driver's license, your national ID card. Those are the ID cards that are needed for the verification. So in this video, I'm going to be doing the video verification, which is just a 15 seconds face verification. You're going to be making a 15 seconds selfie video from your phone gallery. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So the first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see video. You can see it right there written in blue color. The arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. That's a link. That's the link that you can use to kickstart the process of verifying yourself in order to gain access to the YouTube advanced features again. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. Then here is the next step. It says agree to video verification, and as you can see there, that's my Google account. That's the Google account that I use in creating my YouTube channel. So make sure the right Google account is selected. So let me continue reading. It says you will use your phone's camera to record a brief video of your face. Google will use this video to create a face model that will allow Google to verify you're a real person and haven't been suspended for violating YouTube's policy, verify you're old enough to use certain Google service, improve verification services for Google products, and protect against fraud and abuse. Let me continue reading. It says your video may be processed outside of your country and be subject to manual review in accordance with YouTube security policies. Your video and related data, including any face model created, will be securely stored in Google account. Your video verification will be automatically deleted from your Google account within 2 years. It's usually deleted in a few months after you have built sufficient channel history, or after 1 year if you haven't used advanced features. So guys, what you have to do just to take your time to read through this, you can see what you have to do is just to agree to the video verification by toggling on, by rather ticking that box right there on the left hand side. So let me tap on it, let me tick the box, then after that then you tap on agree down there. So let me tap on agree right away to continue with this process. So guys, right here is the next step. It says tips for your selfie. You will be asked to move your head in different directions. Let me continue reading. It says hold your phone at eye level. Use light that isn't too dim or too bright. Make sure your eyes, nose, mouth are visible. No sunglasses, masks or hats. You do not need to dress formally or speak. Check that there are no people or images of faces in your background. So guys, these are the tips that you need to take note of. What you have to simply do after you're done reading all of this is simply to tap on where you can see next. I can see down there on the right hand side, so let me tap on next. Right here is the next step. It says just a moment. Right here guys is the next step. It says tap start to begin. Keep your face in the center of the circle. So guys, what you have to do is to make sure you position your face at the center of this circle. You can see this is my camera. You can see my hand behind the camera. It has been turned on automatically. So let me go ahead now to tap on where you can see start on the right hand side. So let me quickly tap on start on the right hand side to begin this process, this video verification process. Right here guys, can see it have started. So what you have to do is to follow the on-screen instructions. It said I should turn my head to the left, so let me do that quickly. It said I should hold it still. Then it said I should turn my head to the right, so let me turn it to the right. It said I should hold it still. You can see it has been taken, my video has been taken. Wow guys, can see uploading your video, this may take a few minutes. So guys, let's just wait for a few seconds. Our video is uploading. You can see it's just a 15-second video. Here you have to turn your head to the left and to the right. The one will see the features of your face. Wow guys, can see our video has been successfully uploaded. You can see what's written there. It says your video is in review. So what you have to do is to take your time to read through this. Let me read it. It says thanks for submitting your video verification. Google now needs to review your video. This usually takes up to 24 hours. Once your video verification is approved, you will immediately be able to use advanced YouTube features. You can check the status of your request or delete your video in your Google account. If you delete your video, you won't be able to use advanced YouTube features. You will need to build your YouTube channel history or try the ID or video verification again to get access to these YouTube features. So guys, now you can see I have successfully submitted my video for verification. So what I have to do now is to wait patiently for the YouTube team to review my video and reply me. Let me just be patient with them. Let me go back now. So guys, after waiting for some hours, in less than 24 hours, I got a mail from YouTube. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my Gmail app to open up the email that YouTube sent to me. Let me get to see if my video verification was successful or not. So let me look for my Gmail app. Let me scroll upward, then let me tap on it. I have seen it. You can see my Gmail app is opening. So let me go ahead now to look for the email from YouTube. It's not going to be far, so I've seen it. So let me quickly tap on it. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, here's the email. You can see what's written there at the top. Congrats, you can use advanced YouTube feature. Congrats, you can start using advanced YouTube feature. Let me scroll upwards now to continue reading. It says your video verification is approved. You can now use advanced YouTube feature. Your video verification will be automatically deleted from your Google account within 2 years. It is usually deleted in a few months after you have built sufficient channel history, or after 1 year if you haven't used advanced features. You can delete your video verification anytime in your Google account. I've read this before, but let me just continue reading. It says, however, if you delete your video, you won't be able to use advanced features. You will need to build your YouTube channel history or try ID or video verification again to get access to these features. Google may save your verification data for a period of time to protect against abuse. So guys, what you have to do is just to take your time to read through this. These are basic informations that you need to understand. and I've been able to do justice to this topic. I've been able to show you guys the step-by-step process on how you can regain access to the YouTube advanced feature. So this is how I was able to do mine, and as you can see here, this is the congratulatory email from YouTube to confirm that. So go through this process and I believe you'll be able to get yours back, the advanced features. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. See you in the next upload. Bye, peace.